guys! Once again, no proper intro. So, first order of business is me apologizing that my camera was acting up and about half of the footage for this video is missing. Sorry. Luckily, y'all know how it works and you just missed me actually doing it, and you probably just missed out on a bunch of absolute bambling and rumbling on my part. So, enjoy the video. I find it sort of insane that it's already July. It feels like just a few moments ago it was May and my sophomore year was wrapping up, and now my junior summer is almost over. That's insane and kind of disappointing, especially because I think personally this summer is going to be my best summer because I don't have the stress of senior year looming over me yet. So I've had a great summer so far. I can't wait to see what the second half looks like, but boy am I not mentally ready for it. So the theme for July is sunflowers and lavender and some little bumblebees thrown in for good measure because they're adorable and I love drawing them. I wanted to keep the color palette pretty simple and I managed. I only used 6 colors and I wanted to keep it the theme overall something that I could just throw down in a few minutes and not really worry about a big intricate design. I'm still kind of burned out from my May theme, which was a lot of work, and so I just want something super simple. Oh hey, there's my face. So yeah, I drew this little bumblebee. First thing on the page, obviously he deserves it. After the bee, I just started to throw on a few sunflowers. I think I did 2, and then I filled in the rest of it with the lavender. Again, super simple cover page. I just used the markers. I didn't use any outlining or anything like that. I didn't sketch it out. I just kind of put it on the page and messed around with it until it looked right. I used 2 yellow tombos, and I don't know the numbers, but if you try hard enough you could probably see them. But yeah, 2 colors for a little bit of contrast to give everything a little bit of depth. And then for the lavender, I just used 1 for the color, and then I used 1 for the green. Again, this theme is ridiculously easy to set up. I think anyone could do it in honestly 5 minutes. Most of the time it took me to make this was just figuring out where I wanted to put stuff. I also want to throw out there that my voice is a little wonky. I almost lost it a few days ago. I have a cold, sore throat thing going on. Don't worry, it's not the Rona. I've already had that back in December, and I could tell if it was that. But yeah, if my voice is a little weird, that's what's going on. One of my friends pointed out that I'm going through a yellow phase, and she's absolutely right, because in 4 out of 6 themes this year, I have used yellow. Half of my wardrobe is yellow and it's just slowly taking over my life. We'll see how long it lasts. I'm also going through a tan phase. I bought 4 or 5 purses and then I realized that of those 4 purses, 3 of them were tan. So yeah, yellow and tan, that's what's going on, folks. I think it's important to add that the other purse was yellow. Now that I've finished with that unnecessary tangent, let's move on to my quote page. So these past few months, I've really been trying to focus on my goals and making sure that they're a prominent part of my bullet journal. So the first thing on this page is a goals section, then I had room for a little mini calendar, and then I had a coming soon just to keep track of all the crazy stuff that's going to happen to me this summer. I threw in a cheesy bee kind because if you do a theme that includes bees, I feel like that's just unnecessary cheesiness that you have to endure. I also drew a few flowers on the page just to tie it all together and fill up that empty space. Not gonna lie, these flowers are pretty fun to draw, especially the lavender. For some reason, just the little clumps of flower is really fun to me, I don't know why. Once I finished drawing the flowers, I used my calligraphy pen, my Tombow Fidanowski, to draw the bee kind. And you know, I don't know how I feel about this quote. it looks cute, and so we're just gonna leave it there. I also went back and drew another little bee because they're so fun to draw and they look adorable, honestly. Maybe one day I'll just do a theme and the entire thing is just these little bumblebees because they are adorable. I also added some grass just to complete the scene, and then I went back and I did that on my cover page too, even though you can't see it. That's what I just did. Then I took my Pilot G2 pen, outlined the boxes, and I decided to go for like a messier look just to mix it up because last month was super tight, and so I just wanted to make it loose. And there you see my cover page, and yes, it skipped the end because I lost all that footage, was too lazy to clear up space on my phone, and yeah, I made a whole nother 2 spreads and you just didn't get to see it because of my lovely camera. Then I started on this one and was like, I should probably actually film something for you guys. Unfortunately for you, I only got about a quarter of the way done with this spread before my phone decided to stop cooperating with me, and I finished the rest of the spread off camera. So this is a routine spread, and I made one about halfway through June and I'm really enjoying it so far, so I figured I'd carry it on over to July. And basically it's just a schedule for me, kind of keep me up track, make sure my summer doesn't dissolve into a messy blob of whatever I feel like doing that day, and make sure I actually get done the things that I wanted to get done. So yeah, here's what it looks like when it's done. I also made a content planner, don't look too closely or you'll spoil yourself. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about the random missing footage, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!